Hello, YouTube. This is the third time I've tried to cast my command, record my review of Negative Commander Deck. Main commander is Moth Worldwide. He's red green. He starts out as a 0 creature, but for as mana as you cast on with him, you kind of in +1/+1 counter. The first time it's 3, next time you find the next time you get 7. And watches this. If you have this and not have this restore and then target range one from the graveyard on the battle control. First of all, landfall. You took a landfall and you use this. Does it say from where? So okay, then you got fire, one or red and green creatures you don't have haste. You can cycle it. Target to get +2/+2 until the end of the turn. So there you go. This is a good card hand. Abilities of the ability, a pretty interesting card. Helion. 4/2 Echo. 4/2 red. And if you don't pass Echo cost, you have to discard. You have to sacrifice. In the battlefield, it does 4 damage to each other creature. It's a big, fatty, thick creature. Savage Whisper. X red and Savage Whisper. X damage to each creature. Kill all creatures at once. Now we're into some money. Alright. Card, reveal that card and put it in your hand. It's definitely like it. And it has the ability Storm. When you cast a spell, copy it or spell cast before this turn. So yeah, it's a pretty powerful card. As you see, you can copy for each spell cast before. There's a Crag. It's a Vivid Land. I'm not going to tell you what it does. If you don't know what Vivid Lands do, you need to go revisit War. I can choose one. Destroy target artifact. Destroy target mountain. Y'all don't need to know what it does. That's a basic land. Oh, powers. Add land in the middle. Or I can pay tap it. Add one mana any color in your commander's color and spend it mana to cast your commander. Each battlefield will number of plus encounters on it equal to the number of times it has been cast from the command during the game. This game. So this is a pretty good land in my opinion. And beast commander. Oh god, that made my humongous. All of Garrison. All this card does. Revisit Sean Laura. New Dominion. And touch battle protect. When it does, you can try one. I'm not going to tell you what try does. You don't know what to look at. you gotta look it up if you don't know what backyard doors look like. Another generator. I don't know what that does if you don't. Notable artist your best pet to look up. This is called Street Spasm X. Right? Street Spasm is offline. It has an LOS. XX2. And basically pants are but you use a hose, it does that much damage to all your opponent's creatures. That's a good card in my opinion. When the second you can look make your library for basic land code, no doom code, put it into your hand, shop your library. And I'm not going to tell you the mana cost, because there's too many times I draw off cards telling you everything on it. See that? It has the landfall ability. There's the mouse on the my control. And they pick two. If you do, I get to draw one card. This is why this is in there. I don't really like this card. Just, but other people may. Witch Hunt. Players can't gain life. At the beginning of your upkeep, Witch Hunt deals 4 damage to you. At the beginning of your end step, target opponent of Witch Hunt. It's versatile in multi, but you can also use it in 1v1 commander. And there you go. So just really piss off your opponent. People like the game around. And then sacrifice a beast. You gain 4 life. So if you sacrifice a beast with this card, you gain 4 life. Eternal Dragon. I'm not gonna read it because it'll take too much. There he is. And I love that artwork. Range right. I'm just gonna show the card. You know what they do. You can read them, but not tell me what they do. It's a plane. This is Fire. Forest. Even Glade. Her name is Seven Card. If you don't know what it is, look them up. Cultivate. Good card. Deadwood Tree Folk. Druid Satchel. The Druid Satchel. Command tower. Help you cast your commander easy. So you can add mana of any kind your commander has. Yeah, this deck has a lot of crap. Tranquil. Take that green mana. Good. Crater. Guildgate. Guildgate. That guy. On video. card in my opinion. Hello, Commander! Sometimes I gotta wait to go to the Forest Skill Gate. Machine number. Pressure, 4 and 2 green. Randall, basically, he gets bigger when the units are for battles. So the land ability. Foot. Oops. I'm not gonna read it. If you don't set it up, you can look these up on the names. Valiant, Evolving Wilds. My favorite red burn card of all time. Fireball. Sorry, Justice. Avenger of the Core. For this deck, it's powerful. Tilt discovery. If you don't know what it does, look it up. I don't have time to say here every single card. There's Soul Beast. Don't like Contested Cliff. Crows on War Chief. Agi, Honored One. One of our another one of the commanders for the deck. Wraith of God. Agi. Another land card, basically. It's 40 million. Stretch out of Slippery Garst. There you go. Okay, there you go. Another basic land. Darksteel. Okay, there you go. Rampaging. There you go. Rain of Thorns. There you go. Nice. There you go. Eyes. Weird card in my opinion, but good for this deck. Charm. If you don't know what the charms do, you gotta go back to Alara. Shards of Alara. Gaia Charm. Lane Garden. Another green lane. Another curse card. Elysian Sanctuary. Another. Behemoth Sledge. One of my favorite cards. Slice and Twain. Good card in my opinion. Drum Hunter. Soul Ring. Terra Ravager. Read what it does. I'm going to link it up. Archangel. Not a current one of my favorite cards though because of the artwork. It just looks at that arc. Spawn. There. Cadence. There. Homeward Path. Here. From the Ashes. If you don't know what it does, fight those. Powerful card in my opinion. Another good card. Right card, Gargantuan. Another good card for this deck. You can look it up if you don't know what it does. For Curse of Forsaken. This is the one that Spellbreaker Behemoth. Magus of the Arena. Warstorm Surge. Mystic Barrier. Card. Male Anima. Awesome artwork on this card. There you go, people. That is Nature of the Beast. My opinion, this deck is not even worth the money you spend for it. That's my opinion. Please rate, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see y'all in the next video. Anyway, guys, I'll see you on the next channel.